In this video, we're going to learn some basic vocabulary about circles. So we have a circle here. A few of these you probably already know, but we're still going to review them. So first off, we have the center of the circle, usually identified with some kind of letter. The line that goes all the way through the center and meets at 2 points on the circle, this would be called the diameter. I'm going to give it letters. So I have DE as my diameter. A few things about it, that it has to be a segment, okay? It doesn't go past the ends of the circle. The points lay on the edges of the circle. Then we have the radius. So say that the center point is A here. My radius would be AE, or it could be AD. To remember about the radius is always going to be half of the diameter. When we do a lot of problems involving circles with their area and circumference, we're going to have to use our radius. So remember that if you're given the diameter, you would have to half it to find the radius. Or if you're given the radius, you would have to double it to find the diameter. Okay, next is called a secant line. So a secant line, it goes through the circle, similar to a diameter, but this would be a line, okay? So it meets the circle at 2 points, and those 2 points are on the circle, and then it extends past it. So XY, line XY would be a secant. Next, we're going to have a chord. So a chord meets a circle at 2 points. I'm going to name this MP. So I have segment MP is a chord. Now technically the diameter is also a chord. The only difference about the diameter that it goes through the center here. Other chords do not go through the center, but the diameter does. That's why it's going to be a diameter. And the last word we're going to talk about is called a tangent. So a tangent meets the circle at exactly 1 point. So it's a line that meets the circle at exactly 1 point here. And that point is going to be M. So say that this is line B. So we have line B is going to be a tangent. One thing about tangent is it only meets at 1 point. And it is always perpendicular to the radius, to 1 radii. So there will always be 1 radii in which it is perpendicular to. Okay, so that is the vocabulary for circles that we're going to go over.